Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are coming to you live from my bathroom because we are doing some serious makeup, skincare, and hair product organization. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know that I periodically do makeup declutters and organize with me because I think it's fun for us all to kind of sit down together and organize our products. But today we are really stepping up our organization game. I'm so excited because Artbisons reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review and test out this 360 rotating makeup organizer product. You can buy it on Amazon, and I'll leave the link in the description for you guys if you're interested, because believe me, I think you're gonna want it after you see this. I was super excited because I love organization. And we're back, my battery died. But basically today we are going to be transporting all of this makeup in here, these like random beauty supplies I had out on my counter, and then this thing here, which gets very dirty very quick. We're going to be putting them into this 360 makeup organizer, and I love it. Look how many tiers it has, you guys. Shelves, you can move these shelves all around. It spins, you get a full view of all of your products, and it keeps everything nice and organized. So let's get into it and see what we can do. So my products that I keep out on my counter, I try to keep it pretty minimal, but there are certain products that I use every day, like my eye makeup remover. So I think I'm going to stick this on the bottom here. It's always kind of tricky filming these videos because I want you guys to be able to see my face when I'm talking, but also the product. So we're gonna put the makeup remover down here, deodorant. Oh yeah, the deodorant does fit if we put it in this back container. I just kind of staggered these randomly just to kind of play around with it. We have some cream. Oh yeah, this is working out so nicely. I love this. I think I'm gonna lower you guys so you can see more what I'm doing. Okay, so down at the bottom we have our deodorant and eye makeup remover in there already. Now we're gonna put this hair detangler that I use daily and this cream down here. We have our daily Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. That's a must, along with my hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I'm gonna try to keep the likewise products together. Some eye creams here. Yeah, this is working out so nicely. I can tell this is gonna be a huge storage saver. We have our foundations. We'll put the foundation over here. Sephora collection. I changed my mind about that product. I feel like I don't actually like it. It's not good for oily skin. Elemis moisturizing cream. First Aid Beauty Primer. But yeah, this is working so nicely. The only thing that I'm not sure about is my mouth rinse. It's like so disgusting. Yeah, the mouth rinse does not work. This hair clip. So that one pretty much all fits over here, but let's see how this little organizer fits. I'm definitely gonna be able to fit like the smaller products, like the MAC Fix Plus spray. So this is what it looks like on the counter, and we have the skincare here, foundations and primers here, more skincare, deodorant, hair products, makeup remover there. We have moisturizer, hair clip. So there's still like a ton of room. So I have to decide what else to put up there. I do kind of like this one as well. This one's just from TJ Maxx, but I like how it keeps the brushes really even like this. But I was also thinking I could put my Amazon makeups in there as well, like everything from my Amazon makeup bag. Maybe that's what I want to do. So I put my eyeshadow palettes here, and then my toothbrush stuff up top, which I like. but I still have more room. This is crazy. I have so much room, you guys. I think I'm gonna go for it. I think I'm gonna try to take stuff out of here and put it in there. I think it should be easier. Like, especially like my setting powder. I'm sorry, my makeup is like so gross. It really needs cleaned. Because I can see that so much easier. I could put my lipsticks there. That's awesome. Okay, I freaking love that. So I'm basically done with my organization. It was honestly super easy. I'm gonna walk you guys through how I decided to organize this. Basically now I have triple the products out on my counter space, but it looks so much neater, so much more organized. And I also have much easier access to this plug than whenever I had this two-tiered thing, because it would constantly like brush up against this and I would have to move it to plug in like my straightener or curling iron, which was so annoying. I did decide to keep this small one from TJ Maxx out too, but my storage is just really maximized and I still think it looks really, really neat. Everything has its place, and I know it's going to be so much easier to get ready in the morning. So at the top I have my disgusting toothbrush and toothpaste. I don't know why my toothbrush always gets so messed up. I really don't know why. And then I have my mouth rinse. I have some dry shampoo. And then I did decide to put my makeup here. This is literally just foundation stains. So I have my Dermablend setting powder, my concealer, and my Benefit Professional Primer. Behind it I also have my Rare Beauty concealer. So I try to keep like likewise products together. And this product has these like little dividers here, so you can keep your stuff really, really organized. I have a miscellaneous hair clip here. Moving down to the next tier, we have all of our beauty sponges there for easy access. We have Hourglass blush, NARS bronzer. I use these products almost every day. My Elemis nighttime cream. I use this product a lot. I have all my lipsticks. So my lipsticks were like in the other room, and this is a huge improvement for me, being able to have like mostly all of my lipsticks. I have a huge lipstick collection. I have more than this, but these are like my go-tos. Ones from MAC, Charlotte Tilbury, Maybelline, Smashbox. Those are like all of my go-to products. So I have them here for easy access. Then moving down here, this is where you want to put your bigger products, so you can really maximize your space. So I have eye makeup remover. Basically I use this every day. My It's a 10 detangler, some cream. I have 2 perfumes here, Victoria's Secret and Chanel Chance. I also had no perfumes here before, so this is really nice. I can just quickly grab those perfumes. And I just kind of chose them based on like how they would fit here. Here is like my skincare. I have 2 eye creams, hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary, this Pharmacy Deep Sweep. This product I also had under the sink and I was never using it here, so I'm glad I have it here for easy access for exfoliating. My Cetaphil moisturizer that I use every day, Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, primer from Pharmacy, 2 foundations. Yeah, so that's all the products that fit in here. I'm honestly so impressed. Like I said, it pretty much tripled the space here, and I'm really, really excited about that. And then over here in this little container from TJ Maxx, I'm also going to talk through this one in case you guys want any organization ideas. I have all my eyebrow products, eyebrow tweezers, these from Maybelline, my MAC pencil. In this row behind here I have some eye brushes, some lip liners from MAC and Maybelline. I have e.l.f. eyeliner, more eye brushes, these eyebrow razors. I never get my eyebrows waxed. I do it all myself. I have my MAC Fix Prep Plus Prime, an eye primer from Morphe, ColourPop blush stick, e.l.f. camo concealer. These are products I don't use every day, which is kind of why they're in this smaller thing. I don't always use this blush or the eye primer. I also have a little pencil sharpener there, and then all of my eye brushes here. I have some azelaic acid from The Ordinary, some more eyeliners. These are like my backup ones. And then I have 2 mascaras here, and then here I have my Way hair oil, which as you can see I'm almost out of, and then this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow product. really great for acne prone skin. And then I'm gonna put some more eyeshadow palettes here. I only had these two before, but I think I'll be able to fit my other ones from like ABH here and kind of grow the stack so that my eyeshadow palettes are easy access. So that's the final look. I really like how it turned out. Over here we have some Q-tips and retainer soaking supplies. But yeah, I really was able to downsize. I've been using this makeup bag for honestly like 3 years. It looks disgusting. I could probably throw it away or at least try to wash it. But I think I'm still going to keep it because it is great for travel, but it was just not practical keeping it here in my sink because it was constantly getting wet. I don't know. I feel like this, for some reason, like when I wash my hands and I go to like the towel over here, like I think there's a tendency for this area to kind of get wet. So keeping all the products on this side, I think is just a better option, and I don't think they will be getting as wet. Plus I can just see everything. So I love this. So if you want one for yourself, I'll be sure to have it linked in the description box. But thank you so much to Artbisons and Tiana Packaging Company for working with me on this video. I had so much fun organizing my makeup, and I feel like everything is just so much less chaotic in here. But that's all for this week. Be sure to be subscribed. I have some really fun trips coming up, including a trip to Austin. So make sure you're subscribed if you want to see those vlogs. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!